Hi children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today's assignment for class 8th, assignment number 5, topic is sound. In that first question, Robert observed a musical instrument producing sound, but he didn't find any vibration at any part of that instrument. This observation raised many questions in his mind. Can you guess what are the questions raised in his mind and write them? Right. See, Robert observed the one instrument, that instrument is producing sound. Which part of the instrument is producing sound? That is one question. Without vibrating any part of the object or instrument, sound is producing. From where the sound is coming? Such type of questions. Same kind of sound can be produced by any other instrument like this. Such type of questions may rise in his mind. You can write n number of questions instantly. Okay. Next question. Vibrations in a body produce sounds. How do you prove it? Yes, we can prove it. Do one activity. Vibrating object produces sound. School bell, whenever the electrical switch, if you switch on, the bell will ring. So the vibrations produces at the bell and which reaches to your eardrum. You can able to hear the bell is ringing. Similarly, bicycle bell. Whenever if you ring the bell, bicycle, what happens? Bell will ring. If you hold that bell, you can able to sense, that is the vibrating, the part of the bell is vibrating. Once you hold it, that bell, total sound gradually decreases because of that vibrations will be observed by your hand. Okay. So vibrating object produces sound. Next question. Write the examples of vibrating bodies that produce sound in daily life. Just now we discussed school bell and bicycle bells produces sound because of the vibration. Similarly, you can do one activity, a table and a hacksaw blade and some weight. Keep the hacksaw blade at the edge of the table and hold it at one end, and at the free end if you pluck it at the free end, what happens? That hacksaw blade vibrates. While vibrating, you can able to hear the sound. That means vibrating blade produces sound. Similarly, you take a rubber band and an empty matchbox. Then just you place the rubber band on the empty matchbox and pluck at the middle. That vibrating rubber band, stretched rubber band produces sound. Similarly, you take a rough notes, at the papers, you blow with your mouth. That air passes through the papers and that paper will vibrate. That vibrating papers produces sound. These are some daily life examples where the vibrating objects produces sound. Okay. So with this, today's assignment is completed. Hope you understood all. Stay home, stay safe.